OVHcloud Cloud Archive is a long-term storage solution that securely archives your data at a reduced cost and guarantees data recovery. In this section, we will explain how this solution works and what benefits it offers for your data archiving needs. Cloud Archive is based on OpenStack Swift, a standard API that can be used directly by conventional tools. You can upload your data using various secure protocols, such as SCP, RSYNC, or HTTPS. You can also use your favorite tools, such as SFTP or RSYNC, for data transfer. There is no size limit for the files you can store in Cloud Archive, so you can archive large objects such as important files or backups. Cloud Archive treats your archived data with the greatest of care. Each file is fragmented and replicated on a redundant infrastructure. Each fragment is written on a different storage device, with a system to constantly ensure the integrity of the information. If a missing fragment is ever detected, it is automatically reconstructed by a specific algorithm, using the other parts of the file. This way, you can be sure that your data is always safe and available. Cloud Archive also offers you the freedom to recover your data whenever you need it, via standard and easy-to-use protocols. You can retrieve your archive in a time ranging from 10 minutes to 12 hours, depending on the last access date. This means that you can access your data quickly and conveniently, without compromising on security or cost. Cloud Archive is designed to secure your information at the best possible price. The storage clusters that host Cloud Archive are optimized for long-term data retention and offer you a very competitive cost per GB. You only pay for what you use, and there are no hidden fees or charges. You can also benefit from OVHcloud's compliance with ISO/IEC 27001, 27017, 27018, and 27701 standards, and its upcoming health data hosting compliance for French healthcare data. Cloud Archive is ideal for various use cases, such as log archiving, backup, or replacement of magnetic tapes. Whether it is for business needs or legal obligations, long-term data retention is often a necessity. With Cloud Archive, you can meet this requirement with ease and confidence. Cloud Archive is available across all geographical areas where the OVHcloud public cloud is available. You can choose the location that suits you best and enjoy the same high-quality service and performance. You can also scale up or down your storage capacity as you wish and manage your archives with a simple and intuitive web interface. Cloud Archive is the ultimate solution for long-term storage of your data. It combines security, reliability, flexibility, and affordability in one service. It allows you to archive your data with peace of mind and access it whenever you need it. With Cloud Archive, you can take advantage of OVHcloud's expertise and innovation in cloud storage. One of the challenges of data archiving is to ensure the long-term preservation and availability of data that is rarely accessed. Traditional disk-based storage solutions are expensive, energy-intensive, and prone to failures. That's why OVHcloud has developed a new archiving service that leverages the advantages of tape storage and erasure coding. OVHcloud Cloud Archive is a low-cost, secure, and scalable solution that allows you to store your data for decades with minimal maintenance. Tape storage is a proven technology that offers high capacity, low power consumption, and long lifespan. OVHcloud Cloud Archive uses the latest generation of LTO tapes, which can store up to 18 terabytes of data per cartridge. The tapes are stored in robotic libraries that can access and retrieve any tape in minutes. OVHcloud Cloud Archive also uses erasure coding, a technique that splits and encodes data into multiple fragments and distributes them across different tapes. This way, even if some tapes are damaged or lost, the data can be reconstructed from the remaining fragments. But OVHcloud Cloud Archive goes one step further. It replicates the data across 4 geodispersed data centers in France, ensuring high durability and resilience in case of a major disaster. The data centers are located in Roubaix, Gravelines, Strasbourg, and Paris, and are connected by a dedicated fiber optic network. This means that your data is always available and accessible from any location. OVHcloud Cloud Archive also complies with the strictest European regulations on data protection and sovereignty, giving you full control over your data. With OVHcloud Cloud Archive, you can archive your data with confidence and peace of mind. Whether you need to store legal documents, medical records, scientific data, or multimedia files, OVHcloud Cloud Archive can handle any volume and any type of data. You can easily integrate it with your existing applications and workflows using the S3 compatible API or the web interface. You can also benefit from the flexible pricing model that charges you only for what you use, with no hidden fees or lock-in contracts. OVHcloud Cloud Archive is the ultimate solution for data archiving in Europe. It combines the best of tape storage and erasure coding with the reliability and security of OVHcloud's infrastructure. It offers you a low-cost, high-performance, and eco-friendly way to preserve your data for the long term. OVHcloud Cloud Archive is more than just a storage service. It's a guarantee that your data will always be there when you need it. OVHcloud is a leading European cloud provider that offers a range of solutions for data storage and processing. One of the key advantages of OVHcloud is that it meets the data sovereignty and compliance requirements of European customers, with ISO/IEC 27001, 27017, 27018, and 27701 certifications and health data hosting compliance. Data sovereignty is the ability of a country or region to govern its own data without interference from foreign entities or jurisdictions. Data sovereignty is at the heart of debates in both the UK and Europe, representing a major digital issue for companies and citizens. OVHcloud is a founding member of the CISP, Cloud Infrastructure Services Providers in Europe, Associations and GIX project, and actively contributes to these European initiatives. Their purpose is to guarantee the security, interoperability, transparency, and trust required for fair data use. ISO/IEC 27001:2013 certification and ISMS relating to information security management systems for cloud services. This standard specifies the requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security management system within the context of the organization. It also includes requirements for the assessment and treatment of information security risks tailored to the needs of the organization. ISO/IEC 27017:2015 certification relating to information security controls for cloud services. This standard gives guidelines for information security controls applicable to the provision and use of cloud services by providing additional implementation guidance for relevant controls specified in ISO/IEC 27002 and additional controls with implementation guidance that specifically relate to cloud services. ISO/IEC 27018:2019 certification relating to personal data protection in public clouds. This standard establishes commonly accepted control objectives, controls, and guidelines for implementing measures to protect personally identifiable information (PI) in accordance with the privacy principles in ISO/IEC 29100 for the public cloud computing environment. ISO/IEC 27701:2019 certification and PIMS relating to personal data processing security management. This standard specifies requirements and provides guidance for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving a privacy information management system, PIMS, in the form of an extension to ISO/IEC 27001 and ISO/IEC 27002 for privacy management within the context of the organization. Health data hosting compliance by the French Digital Health Agency, ANS, for hosting healthcare data. This certification attests that OVHcloud meets the requirements for hosting personal health data in France, as defined by Article L.1111-8 of the French Public Health Code. It also ensures that OVHcloud complies with the regulations for hosting healthcare data from French, British, Italian, German, and Polish citizens. By choosing OVHcloud as their cloud provider, European customers can benefit from high-performance, secure, and compliant solutions that respect their data sovereignty and privacy rights. OVHcloud also offers tape storage as a service based on IBM technology in response to European data sovereignty and localization requirements. The company has 4 dedicated facilities, all located in France but, for disaster recovery purposes, at least 200 kilometers apart from each other. This service allows customers to store large volumes of data on tape cartridges with low latency and high durability.